Hey everyone, today's episode is packed with high-speed chases, unbelievable moments, and non-stop action. Get ready for an exciting ride that will keep you watching until the very end. Let's dive in. Two guys on a motorcycle thought they could outrun a police officer on a bike. Big mistake. What starts as a routine patrol turns into an intense chase as these suspects test their luck against a highly skilled officer. Watch as speed, strategy, and sheer determination bring this wild pursuit to an unforgettable conclusion.
Fica na moto! Vai tomar, vai correr? Vai correr? Então corre, corre, levanta a mão, levanta a mão. Levanta a mão, vem cá.
Along the R80 in Pretoria, South Africa, a high-stakes pursuit unfolded as a stolen Nissan Champ was tracked and chased. The suspect tried to evade capture, but the South African Police Service Air Wing and Tactical Response Team, TRT, joined forces to ensure no escape. On October the 17th, 2024, a high-speed pursuit gripped the streets of Monticello, Arkansas. Trooper Butler joined forces with Monticello police to chase Huey Zane Brooks, a motorcyclist facing a felony meth charge. Riding a Honda Shadow, Brooks recklessly darted between vehicles, putting lives at risk and even endangering children near a daycare.
State Police is primary on
traveling on Henry Road, heading toward Highway 425.
PD. I'm behind everybody on Bill Henry.
Speeds are going to be 60, no traffic. Still traveling on Bill Henry Road.
As the chase intensified, Brooks showed no signs of stopping, but Trooper Butler took decisive action. Using a controlled boxing maneuver, he skillfully forced Brooks to the roadside, bringing the pursuit to a safe conclusion. Thanks to precise timing and quick thinking, Brooks was safely arrested, ending a dangerous chase through the heart of Monticello.
They're trying to box him in right now.
He wrecked out.
This officer was in hot pursuit of a biker who thought he could outrun the law, but that plan didn't last long. After a failed attempt to escape, the suspect was quickly apprehended. And as if the chase wasn't dramatic enough, his screams during the arrest added an unexpected twist to the action.
Perdeu. Eu entendi isso. Labi, pega lá rapidão.
A routine patrol takes a dramatic turn when a cop spots a biker who wastes no time hitting the throttle and taking off at high speed. What follows is an adrenaline-fueled chase as the officer pushes his skills to the limit to catch the reckless rider. Will the biker's speed be enough, or will the law catch up? Stay tuned to find out.
Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through. Just past Northwest. Alright, coming up to 6. 36. Alright, he's in the ditch, and he began passing on a pig. Headed towards downtown, slowing down. Crossing North 6, or North End North. Downtown area, if we stay right.
Back on this.
That's North End. We're passing the Wide Awake Cafe on North 10.
The chase escalated as the officer made multiple attempts to take down the biker by using his bumper, each time coming within inches of ending the pursuit. But the rider, displaying incredible balance or sheer luck, managed to stay upright every single time, prolonging the high-speed drama. How long could the biker keep this up against the relentless determination?
We're coming right in front of the police department. Had to Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here. Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler.
Here, right? Wait it out, Dakota. I'm trying to take it back up. Then walking in, I'm coming up behind it.
Get out! Hey, get down! Get right now, man. Flip over. Who the you think you're running from? Who the you think you're running from? Come on, I got him. I got him. With your hands. Yeah,
He's brake checking me.
On October the 19th, 2024, Trooper Tanner Seal clocked a motorcycle speeding at 80 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone on US Highway 78. When signaled to stop, the rider, Michael Eves, fled, reaching speeds over 130 miles per hour and weaving dangerously through traffic.
Blue jeans, black jacket, black and red helmet. Can't get the tag right now. Coming up to Fleeman Road, westbound, still in Manila, light traffic. Miles an hour coming to the curve. He's brake checking me.
Get on your face! On your fucking face right now, motherfucker! Get down! Get down! Now! Get down! Put your hands behind your back right now! Straighten your legs out!
The chase continued through multiple towns, with Eves brake-checking officers and disregarding public safety. At 35 miles per hour near Manila, a successful vehicle intervention ended the pursuit. Eves, uninjured, was taken into custody and refused medical treatment. On May 16th, 2024, at 9:14 p.m., a black motorcycle was spotted on Interstate 430 North, making abrupt lane changes without signaling. When an officer attempted a traffic stop, the rider fled, weaving through lanes and exiting onto Rodney Parham Road. Despite efforts to block the motorcycle, the rider evaded capture, accelerating to speeds of 95 miles per hour.
Four. Super removed. No traffic, non between.
Speeds are down to 50. Coming up to Treasure Hill.
Four. Parking Treasure Hill, 915.
Hey, stop right there! Get on the ground! Okay. Get on the ground! Okay, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Fuck.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Don't move.
Yes, sir.
What are you running for?
I'm scared, man.
Oh, don't start that crap.
I ain't playing, bro.
Okay.
I'm scared. Yeah, I got a little bit of dope in my pocket.
Yeah, well, I know you. I thought you were reaching for it.